Hi guys. Welcome to another new episode. This badminton bat is broken and the head ring is separated from the throat. After restoring it, I played a full game with it and it performed great. Today I will show you how to restore a broken bat like new. Let's start the repair. Watch the video without skipping. For restoring, I took off the grip of the bat. I cleaned the round head area with sandpaper. Near the very base of the bat, near the joint or throat, the head ring is broken and separated. Here, some extra parts are damaged which are inserted inside and locked with glue. I took good quality negative and positive adhesive. I mixed the two pastes very well. I inserted the mixed adhesive into the hole of the throat. Now I inserted the open head into the glued hole. I locked the two parts with String Protector Grommets. After applying the glue, I left it for 1 hour to harden. Now I sprayed it with black and gold paint. String Protector Grommets were inserted in the other required holes. The bat is now ready to be strung. I skipped the strung. After securing the string with good tension, the bat is now ready to play and it looks great now. I am checking the string tension. Wow! It feels very tight tension. Enjoying today's complete game with the bat. Wow! The bat is performing great. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and presses the bell button to get the next video.